And how's it going, everybody? This is Newcastle Ninja here from the couch doing another knife review here. And today I have, as you can see, the Kubey KU322. It is an excellent knife. I've seen some great reviews of it. Neves Knives, This Old Sword, to name a few. They really nailed much more than I could really say about it, other than I really am glad I got it. And I got it from White Mountain Knives. It is really a excellent knife for slicing, just like they had said, and really fills the palm quite well. I wear an extra large size glove, maybe a size 10 for glove, but it fits with just enough to get all four fingers of it in my mitts, and that blade is just, it's great. I really dig that it's so smooth enough to do, you know, the finger flip. Let me try that again. There you go. Also, I like that it has this indentation in here, like a wedge. Maybe you can see a little better that way, the way it's pivoted in. Or if I sink the meat of my thumb tip in there, you can flick it out just as easily, like so, with it being very comfortable. Lockup is really nice and strong. I always dig that when a liner has these type of jimping or slots cut into it that really give your digit a nice purchase, whether you're coming from this side or coming around that side. But it's definitely got nice access either way. It is an ambidextrous pocket clip for tip-up carry only. And like has been mentioned before in other reviews, this is it's a heck of a bargain for what you're getting. The flipper tab, the way it's pivoted there, and that is pretty much a guarantee that you're going to have excellent flipping action if you are using that tab. Deep pocket clip, quite nice. Fits in and out of the pocket very nicely. There is a lip there that might pose as a problem for maybe somebody, but I haven't had that problem. Got perfect lineup, nice big steel liners, which are milled, if you can see that action there. And I really like these barrel spacers here. That way you can just blow out the dust or pocket lint. But man, the way that thumb ramp just holds right up there, and the way my fingers just go right into that choil and wrapped around, it's really, really nice. It's very impressive. And White Mountain Knives does offer some different flavors in it. Let me see if I can just bring that back up on the old boob tube, as my dad would call it on the TV. Do got a few different flavors to choose from. I went with the black with the satin blade, but White Mountain Knives does have these others. I do believe Amazon and a few other companies carry this as well, but of course you can get that discount code White Mountain, which is why I always dig it, plus PayPal too if you want to have that extra knife stash set aside to keep off of radars or whatever. But not that I do that, but you know, just whatever. So anywho, getting back to the knife, I could focus in on that to give the specs of it, but hey, I got this right here for you. So yep, D2 steel overall, as you can see. Hopefully you can see my chicken scratch with that Sharpie, nice. But yeah, everything's there, and that is the model. And the G10 on this is just grippy enough that you can really, really feel that good. But it doesn't hang up at the pockets. It's got the nice lanyard loop there if you really want to use that. But outside of that, excellent knife. Comparable option that I did see, let's see from a few of the lineups here. A lot of people like to say that the Kitefish has a similar blade, and I can see it. Yeah, and I do like this. I do like this kite fin. Not, what am I saying, kite fin? I'm so sorry. This petrified fish. Yeah. So that is the beluga. So yeah, very reminiscent of the beluga. Excuse me. And of course the I don't think the handle's as wide. Just about the same. Really dig it. Very neutral. Uh-oh, the boys have joined. But don't mind these guys. They just like to get into things. Like videos. So, anywho, getting back to the knife. For the money, you really can't beat it. I mean, we're talking just over 40 bucks and maybe even just under if you put that discount in there. And it's an excellent, yeah, that noise is my dog kissing me on the forehead as I'm recording this for you. So, aside from that, I hope you all have a great new year. Hope you enjoyed the video, if you did. And if you'd like to see any others from me or any comments, feel free to leave a like, a subscribe. Any comments that you'd like to give, please keep them decent. And y'all have a great one. Take care.